In this remodeling course, I'll teach you how to model the Master Chief's helmet from the ground up in Blender. We'll begin with a solid foundation in the visor, using shrink wraps and vertex groups to maintain clean topology to ensure perfectly crisp reflections across the surface of the visor. From there, we'll move on to blocking out all the primary forms of the helmet, ensuring to keep the topology simple, making it easier to modify and make necessary changes to the model as we progress through the course. Once the foundations of the helmet are in place, we can shift our attention to modeling in detail as we add in various panel lines, insets and extrusions, all the while maintaining clean edge flow as we introduce more complex topology. We'll also utilize modifiers in a more creative direction to help us integrate impressive looking designs and details across the helmet. With just over 14 hours of free content that includes screencast keys and comprehensive explanations for not only the how, but also the why behind the modeling decisions made, this series is designed to enhance your understanding of subdivision, hard surface modeling, and the fundamentals of topology. By the end of this series, you'll not only have an impressive helmet model to show off, but also a stronger grasp over approaching complex hard surface modeling projects in Blender. So, if you're interested, you can begin your modeling journey today with the full series now available on my channel.